Otherwise, we'll go on and on. Good afternoon, and welcome back. Now we are going to do the last part of geography. Few things that I can tell you about. Okay, last day we did coal, petroleum, and fossil fuels. We were doing why fossil fuels are so important. So, how much energy they give us? That is, that is something that is very important. How much energy the fossil fuels give us much more amount of energy and whenever we need than the renewable sources like solar, wind, which is a lot more dependent on nature. Before I proceed, for Monday, I'm going to send you your mail, your paper, and you are going to solve it. Open book on energy and power resources, history also, open book, but all answers to be written in copy, no Word document. Answers in copy. If you want to copy the questions, your choice. If you don't want to copy the questions now, copy it later on. That is all right. One thing I can say, this is my wish, personal wish, so that you learn how much time you are taking. Whatever time you took, right? Time taken on top as well. I want to see, ideally in an 80 marks paper for 2 hours, we say per 10 marks, don't take more than 20 minutes. For 10 marks, don't take more than 20 minutes. Otherwise, you will not complete your paper. Hence, I want you to do this, that, I have given 30 minutes. You try to finish it because the paper 10 marks will be writing and 10 marks in Vicon, which will be on Friday. I have prepared the test. So this is something I want to check with you all children. 1 minute. Yes, please let me know, now can you see the test option, because I will not be there. Okay, so can you see the test option?
Ma'am, actually my Vicon, I have sent you a mail. My Vicon is not opening. Someone
You
has
can
hacked
check it
my
later on.
net.
Now you just tell me.
No, ma'am.
I have given the date for the test.
Yes, ma'am. It's visible. It's visible.
Test is visible. Now, if I
Yes.
keep the eye of the test open, means
Yes.
you give the test, or the test is visible to you on that
Ma'am,
day?
it's showing that energy.
It is showing that the exercise will be activated from 8 October 2021 at 12 AM to 8 October 2021 at 12:40.
12
Okay,
p.m.
so now you can see the test, right? You can see the test and everything is there. Okay, great. I have set the time, so it's 10 marks objective, 10 marks subjective, which we have given. Solve the test, and I will come back, and if there is any queries, I'll answer. This is going to be a testing for you all, that when your subject teacher is not there, like the class 10s and 12s will be giving their exam. When they give their exam, no subject teacher. It's up to you how you handle the online procedure.
Ma'am, will half-of it be written or it's full Vicon?
No, Monday I'll send the paper. Mail you one paper for Monday. Where you will write.
Send you on Monday. I have to visit my
I know. You have mailed me. Your problem is a separate thing. So I told you that you will honestly do it and send it to me. No problem. Since it's an open book work,
I will
send it in the evening. I know.
Ma'am, my
Monday is which test actually?
Both history and geography. Open book work, written work.
Okay.
Ma'am, if my Vicon doesn't open, then I don't know how to send it.
You have 1 week work. Okay. Now coming to this part, that is petroleum. For petroleum children, the countries that you are learning, you please learn in India. First, you just underline that the countries which are mainly producers of petroleum are the Gulf countries. The Gulf countries are there. And for India, underline that it is mainly found on the Arabian Sea side. It is important. On the Arabian Sea side and along the Mumbai coast, the Arabian Sea, that part, and the first site where petroleum was found in India was in Digboy, Assam. It was found in India in Digboi, Assam. So there are petroleum deposits in the northeast and in the Arabian Sea region, where from underwater through pipelines, petroleum is it is brought and it is then exported to all other countries. One thing that other countries, even if you don't remember, remember the two state names, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Very important for case of India, for petroleum. Now, what I would like to say is, see, natural gas, petroleum, coal, we all are using this in our day-to-day life. But you all know that all these forms of energy are polluting. Now, if I ask you, let me ask you a quick think and answer question that, just twisting the question a little bit, that in spite of being a polluting source, why do you think we are still so much dependent on fossil fuels? What will you say?
Ma'am, because our technology is not that developed, so to use the non-conventional sources.
Produce a large amount of energy.
Absolutely. You can
And it is
underline this
available
sentence
all the time.
also in your book, that these sources generate more heat per unit of weight. They give more energy, a lot of energy per unit of their weight. When fossil fuels burn, both petroleum and coal, it is burning. It is when petrol is used, when coal is burned, it is burning, and the heat energy is converted into mechanical energy or electrical energy, whatever form. Little bit can give a long amount. And you can also add this point, since these we can burn them, we can use them anytime. We do not need to depend on natural factors to get these sources of energy. For sun, we need to depend on nature, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy. For everything, we are dependent on natural factors. Now, if nature is not in favor or works in some different way on that day, wind is not blowing with a good speed, it's a cloudy day, then tides are not so, the high tide is not, when the tides occur because of the moon's revolution around the earth. Tides are created by sun is far away, so mainly the impact is of moon. How the moon's gravity works with the earth's gravity results in tides. This is just a fun fact. How the moon revolves. Now, if the tide is not not a very good high tide time, then you will see creating these energies will be difficult. We are too much dependent on nature. But for fossil fuels, more lies on us, means our choice, our need can be fulfilled in a more easier way. We don't need to depend on nature. Hence, they are still, in spite of being polluting, they are still the main source of energy. But the government is trying to promote technology. The government is trying to promote, research, so that we can make a shift from renewable, from non-renewable to renewable, or from fossil fuels to other alternative sources. That is why solar energy, wind energy, all these. Okay, this is another question which I can ask you. Why alternative? Why are we calling them alternative? Because we are calling
Because they are not constant.
we are calling them alternative because they are non-conventional. We have not been using them for years and years. What has happened is now we are developing the technology which helps us use these sources of energy. They are recent and they have not taken the forefront. That is, these have not yet become the main sources of energy. We are still on a shifting process. We are trying. The main sources are fossil fuels. Hence, we are calling them alternatives. Okay, we are shifting. We are trying to shift. Solar energy, wind energy, all the renewable sources. We are calling them alternative because of this reason, except hydropower, hydel energy, hydroelectricity or hydropower has been used. Running water through dams and all have been used for quite some time now. Many dams are present not only in India, worldwide. Of course, all big rivers, all countries have dams and all created. India definitely has many dams. So hydropower is one renewable energy source which is
Conventional.
Non-renewable.
conventional. Very good. Which have been used for a long time. So hydropower, we don't say it is alternative. Now, this is there. Another alternative form which has come up recently is nuclear energy. See, nuclear energy has
my favorite form of energy.
Favorite form in the sense, as long as we are doing it in a very safe way. Now, if I give you a
Because I
question
like chemistry very much. My favorite thing.
I can understand. Now, if I give you a question like this, small amount of nuclear fusion or fission can create a huge amount of energy. But still, why are we not making it our regular?
Because it is very costly to build the nuclear park, and they can, if some kind of leakage happens, it can cause really very harm to the people, the surrounding animals and plants. It's not very
If
safe.
any accident happens in that
Uranium
area,
235 is very rare.
All gas strategy.
then it can
Absolutely.
cause
Agreed.
harm to us.
Very, very true. Harm to the environment. If any accidents occur, the kind of damage it can cause.
And Bhopal gas strategy.
Ma'am, it will blow up. The whole plant will blow up.
You know, you are still very small.
Boom shakalaka will happen.
There is something, there's a movie, when you grow up a little bit more, watch this movie. There's a movie called Pearl Harbor. Okay, Pearl Harbor movie, it shows...
I watched half.
Ma'am, it was USS Shaw was fired there by
Yes.
Japan.
It's how the first, during World War II, Japan attacked
USA was
the
forced to
USA
join the
port.
war.
Pearl Harbor is a port in USA, yes, which Japan attacked, bombarded it, destroyed it like anything.
Ma'am, USS Shaw was burned.
What?
In the Godzilla story, you will see that this bombardment only arised Godzilla.
Oh, really? I still remember, there is a
Yes.
reason. There's a reason why USA at that point of time had used nuclear bombs on Japan. Hiroshima, Nagasaki, we all know that. So the main thing was Pearl Harbor. When they attacked Pearl Harbor during, and the Pearl Harbor was, sudden attack and complete destruction of the harbor was done. So after that, as a reaction, USA was very angry, and then they, the World War II only.
And the congressman
Ultimately-
voted unanimously.
Yes, ultimately, you see, in
USA
World War
knew-
II, the nuclear bombs were used. For the first time, the world saw the use of nuclear energy. Nuclear bombs were dropped on Hiroshima, Nagasaki. But
Yes, ma'am,
people
the
did
World
not
War
realize
Wars
what
were very
it can bring.
Ma'am, the World Wars
One
were
was called
very...
Little Bear and one was called Fat Bear.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, Tamagnu.
Ma'am, the World Wars were very destructive, but they also brought many new technologies like
Very true.
radar tracking.
But the technologies were used in the wrong way. The technologies that came during that time was not for the welfare of the people, but for the governments to get more and more powerful. The thing is, technology should be such which ensures the protection of people, well-being of people. But during that time, what happened was new weapons came out. Yes, more things like radio signals, this, that became better, but it was used in a wrong way. Now you see Hiroshima, Nagasaki, the bombs that were dropped so many years ago, the impact is still present. Till now,
For the cancer
Due to
till
radiation.
now, so many
and the genetic Just
Children
damage.
are born with
Damages the DNA.
dysfunctional bodies. Body parts are not proper. Their DNAs have been changed forever. So imagine in nuclear power plants. I don't know if you know this or not. People have to wear lead clothes. You know, yeah, people are made to
Yes,
wear
ma'am,
lead
because it
clothes.
does not allow radiation.
And
to
the
pass.
most radioactive
Radiation
place
here
in
doesn't
Earth is in
enter.
Japan, Fukushima.
Oh, okay, okay. Very true.
These
Because
weird names gave me goosebumps when I was small.
you just imagine the fact that these people wear lead clothes for one main reason, so that they are least exposed to radio waves, but only working in a excuse me, in a radioactive reactor. Many people who work there have had cancer in later part of their lives. They have to always wear lead clothes. But still, the little radiation that they are exposed to, that also is harmful. So all nuclear power plants are made far away from the areas where people are
Residential
residing.
area.
Yes, nuclear technology is a very important part in the now, but we need to learn to use it in a proper way. Have you seen the movie called Parmanu? India's enter to nuclear power.
Yes. Parmanu. John Abraham.
This
John
movie we all
Abraham.
can watch. Parmanu is
John
how
Abraham.
India's first nuclear testing was done. They did it
John
in a
Abraham.
desert area. And
Yes.
inside the ground, and that after you will see, after the bomb is exploded, how much bigger gap it leaves and such a huge area it destroys. A
Ma'am,
little
it showed that
little thing.
the bomb blasted, but the people who were inside the containment also felt the force.
Not only containment, far away, the roads cracked and everything. And if you see a little, it's very small amount that is used, and that caused such a huge impact. So nuclear energy is a very important form of energy, but nuclear energy has its own dangers.
Costly and dangerous.
Ma'am, when the-
Need
Yes,
to
ma'am,
learn
but if
this.
nuclear energy wasn't
Ma'am,
there,
ma'am.
then we would not exist. Because
Ma'am.
sun's incoming solar radiation all the time, nuclear
Solar
fusion is
radiation, but
happening.
that is taking place in the sun. Think about going even near the sun. Yes.
You
Ma'am, I was saying that when a nuclear bomb explodes and if any human is close to it, it will just take the millisecond to burn and kill the man, and it will feel like there was no pain to death,
Nothing means you will
just
be
into
done.
ashes.
Absolutely, just it's over. Okay, now India's
Ma'am, one man-
Death without pain.
When one scientist was experimenting in a nuclear farm, he put 16 kg of uranium in a container that had 2 kg of uranium capacity. And it caused such a huge explosion that he was the man who experienced the most of radiation. His skin was peeled off and he didn't die immediately, but the doctors wanted to use him as a dummy, as a guinea pig.
At least he achieved something before
And
he
they
died.
kept him alive for nearly 1 month.
all of you,
Then finally
my
died.
God,
Now the
imagine
skin has fallen off his body and
it has fallen off. So everything can change due to these nuclear reactions. Very simple. Another simple example. All of you are Avengers fan. So when Avengers, they got all the, Hulk. How did he turn like that? He was exposed to gamma rays. So
Gamma radiation.
all nuclear reactions and everything, and these things can cause a
Ma'am, did you
great
hear
damage.
about Chernobyl?
Chernobyl disaster? My God, Chernobyl is
There is the
Chernobyl is a
last
very
night happened.
It was the first and last one.
If
in
you
the
ever
Soviet
read
Union.
Chernobyl, if you find out about
Make
it,
a movie.
how greatly it impacted the people. In India,
It
also,
happened
And
so
the
for just
dogs
for
who were
1%
killed by
breed.
radioactiveness were burned in a different place, very far away. The
For
people
1% breed, it
people
happened.
give radiations after they were affected.
true. Okay, now one thing you can write down. In India, there is an atomic power plant in, India's oldest atomic power plant. The atomic center is in, Tarapura. There is a place called Tarapura in Maharashtra. It's there in your book also. You can write down that Tarapura is the nuclear power plant where India is now. It's one of the oldest in India. Also, there
Ma'am,
are
in which state is it?
Maharashtra. It's in
I'd like to
Maharashtra.
go there.
Maharashtra is there, and Tarapura. This is very, very famous. If you have heard the name of Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Bhabha
Yes, ma'am, I
Atomic Research Center is very famous in India. So these are Indian. This is Indian. Okay, in India, in Maharashtra side, it is there. Also in states of Tamil Nadu in down south, because the education rate, there is skilled labor for working in nuclear power plant. You cannot appoint anyone and everyone. You need educated scientists and all who work there. So Tamil Nadu down south, okay, there are two more like Kalapakkam and Kalapakkam is there, then Kundankulam is there. So you can learn one or two names. So Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, you try to remember. Or down south, at least the states, especially please remember Tarapura in Maharashtra. Nuclear energy is also non-renewable. Nuclear energy once used cannot be used once again, but such a small quantity is needed for a great production in energy. So there is no threat that in the near future it will be ending. So like fossil fuels, we have this danger, but for nuclear energy, and every time fission is done, you can say that a lot of energy is produced, which can be used in a
million
planet.
times greater than coal.
Yeah, a little bit can produce a lot. So this is there. Now coming to, okay, you don't have energy uses in a society. So you can just cross that part. You can just give it a reading, because this part need not need remembering. If there is something, you can write it on your own also. But this part, question answers, we don't give it. This is from your own application. We try to see how you apply. Conservation of energy. Once again, something I would like to ask you, not teach from the book directly. You tell me, means you can read the points in the books as well. It is there. You tell me, what are the ways to conserve energy?
Switch off light and fan whenever we are
Okay,
working on
save electricity, save electricity. Okay, true.
To stop
Any other?
eating. Stop eating.
Conserve energy. Travel in more in public vehicles.
Right, very good point. Travel more in public transport than personal cars. That way you save petroleum. True. Anything else?
And if we sleep the whole day, then our energy will be conserved.
What a great
Ma'am, I have a point.
observation. Slow claps for you.
Ma'am, I have a point.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, we can use the basis of the utensils. We can use a conducting material, so that fuel, the LPG.
Very good point. Using the waste products of one thing for something else. Involving technology. I will tell you, one of my teachers used to teach me. Her father used to work in a research center dealing with coal. Okay, so I remember. So ma'am told me that when my father was working, so the scientists there had invented a great thing. When coal burns, it burns with a lot of smoke. That smoke is used. Fine. But after coal burns, what is left? After anything burns? Ashes. The coal ashes are left. Now they were trying to invent it. I don't know how far it was a success or so. The proposal was this: if we can collect, it's a huge quantity of ash because a lot of coal is burned. If we can use that ash and put chemicals, and with chemicals and all, make it hard and convert it into bricks that can be used in building materials. How about using
Plastic
the
waste
byproduct?
material. Ma'am, in Africa, in some country, a woman started a company where she started to make bricks using waste plastic.
Imagine, absolutely.
In India only there is a road which is made up of waste material, not
Which is made
In
up of
Peru, there is
waste
kids.
material. Here we are talking about the wastes of the energy resources as well, especially fossil fuels. There's a name. We call this byproducts. What is byproducts? In petroleum,
Ma'am, energy is released during a reaction. Chemical
it is
reaction.
released during a reaction. You see, what happens when petroleum is got from under the sea or from any petroleum mine, it is sent to a refinery, petroleum refinery. I don't know if you have heard about petroleum refinery.
Fractional distillation.
Indian Oil have it. Then
Fractional distillation.
my father worked in Indian Oil, so he was posted in an oil refinery.
Indian Oil, ma'am. My father also works there.
Oh, okay, that is great. He has retired. My father is retired now. But then this is the thing that in refineries, when petroleum is refined, there are lots of byproducts. Now you should try to use those byproducts for various other things.
Like petroleum jelly.
Like petroleum jelly, there are many uses of the byproducts. The coal one, I tell you, very good point. Try to use the energy to the fullest. Don't waste. Recycle,
No wasting of energy.
use technology where you can, use the remaining things as well. Anything else? Anybody? Of course, try to shift to renewable.
Ma'am, which I told the road one, with the road is made up of not that pitch we now. Actually, there is a disadvantage from there. If it floods, means if the rain comes, the water will not seep through the road. It will get
True.
stuck. But in our normal,
that doesn't even happen for our these these metal roads that we have. So
I actually got to know about this. I actually got to know about this from BITM because I am a member of it and I do classes too. So there a class was taken. There a class was taken that this Yash went through that time. What are the can you tell ideas to prevent waterlogging? My idea was this: make a something like that to seep the water through, or make small drainage systems in the
water seepage is a very good idea, because if the ground is taking in the water, the groundwater will also increase.
Underground water.
Underground water.
Ma'am, we can also build the cities in a slanted way towards the lake or pond.
True. That is what is important.
And the lake and pond should be very deep.
With Kolkata.
I have a fact.
It is the
I
thing.
have a fact.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, in China there is a road which is built with, there are solar power cells on the road. I mean, totally on the road.
See,
There is a
if we
project.
really use technology, we can try to make a shift and properly shift to renewable forms. This is also a way of conserving.
Ma'am, can we make a city full of like all the houses are made of that solar panels? Like it will
Who
only
knows?
work on.
Who knows? If we build technology like this, where the solar energy can save for days and months, then India will definitely have a great future, because India is a tropical country which receives
Yes, ma'am,
a
with the
lot of
Deccan Plateau.
heat. Heat energy. Lot of insulation is there. Okay, so on that note, we come to an end of this chapter. I would like to wish everyone a very happy Pujo. I'll not be meeting you before Durga Puja, so I want
Ma'am, but you
everyone-
will meet us on Friday. Next Friday.
Today is Friday.
Next Friday.
No, next Friday I'm coming back at night. Late night.
Like
So this
you
is
will
what-
open the test and we will give it.
I have already opened it, showing it to you all only.
Yes, it's there.
And I will just
I cannot
tell you
see
the
the
question.
Monday's tests both will be in copy.
Both will be in copy. You sit down, you write it down, and you submit it to me. Okay. So it is open book, so you can take your own time, and you can just write down the time and on top just to see how much you are taking, how much time. It's
Ma'am,
not
like
difficult.
how much? Like I'm starting from 9 a.m. then till 10 a.m. or like 1 hour or 20 minutes.
Oh, you can write how much time. Suppose you take 25 minutes. I'm telling you, ideally 10 marks is 20 minutes. So you write down, I took on top or time, you can write 30 minutes, 35 minutes, total how much you took.
Ma'am,
That
you will
be a
send
good
us the
help for
question
you
paper on Monday only.
No, I'll mail it today only. I'll mail it to you today itself. I'll send you all the mails and you will have your question papers and you will give the Vicon test on Friday. That is the only thing. Friday history, I am giving you a nice time to have a good time. You can research, you can revise. I'm not forcing you to do any work. So, because today I took extra for that reason only, have a good puja break. We'll meet you after pujas with more interesting things and Mughals in history. Okay, and in geography, we will go on to, we will explore.
I'm waiting for
Africa.
history.
Yes, in geography,
Mughals are
we
my
will
favorite.
explore
Mughals are my
Africa
favorite.
and the savannas and the Sahara.
Ma'am,
So nice.
After puja,
This-
When will we
puja.
Now, when will we send Maratha Empire?
What?
Are that is so
Maratha.
bekar.
Maratha
Empire.
Empire towards the end of Mughal.
many days do we get in our
Ma'am, I like everything,
2 weeks,
but when I
2
come to memorize,
School
everything
reopens
goes
on-
out of my
There
head.
is a mail, 25th. 25th school will reopen. 2 weeks. Enjoy.